Ooh, right at the boat. Right at the boat.
Right on the boat there.
Yeah.
Droppy, floppy, wompy there doesn't got one out of the boat.
Man, these things are feisty.
I told you, that sucker hit mine while ago, act like his breakers was on fire.
Oh gosh, this is gonna be hard to get out. I got it. Well, at least I think I do. There we go.
You got blood everywhere, boy.
I know.
Kevin, maybe you're right. He's gonna catch fish. He's gonna catch fish.
You had your son do it. Jeremy poked that voodoo doll on you.
Golly.
He said, I'm going to get him back for Sunday.
That was right at the boat. I'm talking about I was pulling it in. I mean, bringing it in.
Yeah, it's sitting on top of the rock.
Man, I was bringing that thing in. Oh yeah.
It'll go that far. That owl sitting up there will probably grab it.
What are you fishing? Huh? You think they want that croc over there?
I mean, come here, baby.
Oh yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. Ow! Boy, he eat that something.
Yeah, he choked the thing.
About to draw down your hand.
Two,
I saw
about
that
two.
one, yeah.
Tournament fish right there. Good solid fish. Nah, I got it. Good tournament fish. I called it too. I was like, I wish one would come up and whack this thing. So after I got finished saying that, literally, it went boom. I actually got my jigfish.
That's the first one.
No, I've had plenty of jigfish,
Well, that is.
but what's funny is I cast that thing on the bank too. He swallowed the thing too.
Yeah, it'll make more of a ring when you go.
He's killing me with this.
This right here, see how hard that body is. Alright, so when you come through with your hook, you come back, you see how it's real here right there?